The Syrian ambassador to Australia, who was in Byron Bay today for a legal conference, has weighed into the debate on the arrest of Gold Coast doctor Mohammed Hanif. Ambassador Sliman says Australia's anti-terrorism laws are extreme, and Dr Hanif was arrested in a climate of anti-Islamic hysteria.
Visiting Byron Bay today for an Islamic legal conference organised by Southern Cross University, Syrian ambassador Sliman described Australia's anti-terrorism laws as unjust, saying Muslims could be unfairly targeted.
The problem is always double standard. When there is a rule that applies to certain category of people, not the other, then there is, of course, there's injustice.
Mr Sliman says he believes Australia's anti-terrorism laws are more extreme than anything enacted in the United States.
In the United States, in its peak of war against terrorism, did not issue this law to arrest people for the mere suspicion.
Mr Sliman also voiced his concerns about the treatment of Gold Coast doctor Mohammed Hanif, saying although he hoped justice ultimately prevailed, the doctor was charged in an environment biased against Muslims. Mr Sliman says Muslims living in Australia have been contacting his embassy, fearful they could be arrested for no good reason.
The case was brought in the light of the linkage between Islam and terrorism. This is what distresses us, Arabs and Muslims.
The ambassador says in the wake of September 11, the media have helped fan the anti-Islamic sentiments.
I think the media plays a role, whether willingly or unwillingly, but they play a role really in this frenzy look with between Islam and terrorism.
Christine Tondorf in Byron Bay.